Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload photos on Vistaprint. All right. So first up, just gotta log into your Vistaprint account. And once done, gotta select a product. For example, right here, maybe a business card. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you just click on Upload Design. Okay. Click on it. And here, I'm just gonna go ahead and select Standard. If you want it to be rounded, go and select Rounded right here. Horizontal or vertical. Okay. And the quantity, of course. Once done, just hit on Next. Now here in the editor, you can just easily upload a photo. All right. Here are the file types that can be used: JPG, JPEG, and so on and so forth. Okay. Just click on Upload Font. Select a file or picture that you wanted to use. For example, our channel's logo right here. All right. Wait for it, and here's what it's going to look like for front. Now in back, click on Upload Back, Upload Design if you want to. Again, click on Upload Back. For example, I'm just going to be using this one right here. Open. Okay, wait for it. There you go. Fit the safety area right here. And there you have it. Once that's done, you can go ahead and hit on Preview. Okay. Here's for front. Here's the back side. And that's basically it. Once you're happy with it, you can download a PDF proof or hit on Finish right here and continue with the payment process. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.